I'm Michelle Vartan, editor-in-chief of Daily Journal. Today, we're going to learn about crystals. We're here with Jeffrey Siegel. He's the founder and owner of Mystic Journey Crystals and Bookstore. What is a crystal, and does it really work?
Well, a crystal is really a formation of atoms and molecules in a certain matrix that ends up being a generator, a director of energy.
Why are people seeking crystals? Why do they want them right now?
You know, that's a great question. I mean, well, people are looking for tools to enhance their well-being or to help them get through challenges. And like everything in the universe, the crystals have energy, and people feel, and I've experienced that energy, and that they can help them to get to where they need to be, either in their life or in better health.
Should we hold it? Should we be saying something? How do we help channel its powers?
Working with crystals, it's all about feel and the energy and the connection that an individual has with a crystal. Someone can have a small crystal either on their desk, in their purse, or their pocket if they want to have it with them all day long. Some people like to put a larger crystal in a space.
I think I'm going to be getting my first crystal today. So thank you so much, Jeffrey, for having us in today. And if you're interested in learning more about crystals, please visit us at dailyom.com, and we'll see you really soon.